Today we're going to do a little cold start on our 1512 Cub Cadet diesel. After it rained last night, it is currently 77 degrees, as you can hopefully see there. I'm gonna hit the glow plugs for roughly 15 seconds and start her up. And here we go. So she started pretty good on board this morning. Welcome back. It's about 9:45 here. I've been using this Cub Cadet 1512 diesel for a little while, and now we're going to do a warm start on it. Starts up pretty quick after it's been running for a while. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and click that subscribe button.